Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study science subjects effectively. Begin by actively engaging with the material. Don't just read. Question why things work the way they do. Try to explain complex ideas in your own words, perhaps to a friend or even to yourself. This process helps solidify your understanding and reveals any gaps in your knowledge. Aim for a deep comprehension of the foundational principles, as this forms the bedrock for all subsequent learning. Science subjects often require more than just theoretical knowledge. They demand practical application. Dedicate significant time to solving a variety of problems. When you encounter an incorrect answer, don't just move on. Instead, meticulously review your steps to identify where you went wrong. This critical analysis is crucial for learning and improving. Aim to complete at least 10 to 15 practice problems for each major topic to ensure thorough preparation. Visualizing abstract scientific concepts can dramatically enhance your understanding. Try drawing out complex systems or processes, like the human circulatory system or a chemical reaction mechanism. If safe and feasible, perform small experiments to observe principles firsthand. Many online resources offer virtual labs or detailed animations that bring concepts to life. Engaging multiple senses through visualization and experimentation helps to embed the information more deeply in your memory. Consistent review is paramount for mastering science subjects. Employ spaced repetition, revisiting material at increasing intervals to strengthen memory. For example, review new concepts after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. Regularly summarize what you've learned, perhaps in a 1-page cheat sheet for each chapter. Collaborating with a study group allows you to explain concepts to others, which is one of the most effective ways to consolidate your own understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.